Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Acadia. Stock number is A7307A. Starting right away up front, you have LED running lights wrapped around your HID headlights. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Kelly Edge tires. We're going to take a look inside now at the cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. There's no rips or stains on any of the seats. Second row and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, and this Acadia is all-wheel drive. So on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Acadia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.